Dear friend.
Yeah, Daniel, thank you.
The Temple Bar in Dublin. One of the most popular tourist attractions in entire Dublin. You see this particular bar advertised on all tourist brochures, and it's really marvelous inside. A brief tour inside the Temple Bar. Historic. It's a historic pub. It's a rainy day, hence I wore my rain jacket.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Hello.
Okay.
Oh, this is a...
Yes, that's okay, sir.
Thank you. Absolute vintage. Absolute vintage. It's 9 in the morning, and yet you have customers. One of my greatest heroes, Muhammad Ali. Historic place. Very expensive place. Life-size statues inside the bar. It has been drizzling since my arrival in Dublin yesterday morning. Friday, the 18th of April, I arrived yesterday morning, and till today morning at 9 it is drizzling. Here, the beautiful Temple Bar. It's not just plain advertisement. They can really charge as a museum. They can charge entrance fee as a museum. External view. This whole locality is known as the Temple Bar area. All pubs around the place. Hope the drizzle remains like this. I have a date for a walking tour of Dublin. Sure. And hope the drizzle remains at this particular level. In case it increases, an umbrella is required. Ahoy!